Now I'm going to explain the three-phase semi-converter operation for alpha equal to 60 degrees, right? For alpha equal to 60 degrees. See you, the things are going to be happen here. Wait for a while. This is alpha equal to 60 degrees. Yeah. So that means alpha equal to 60 degrees in the sense 30 plus alpha equal to what? 90. So T1 is going to be triggering at 90 degrees. T2 is going to be triggering at 90 plus 120. It is 90 plus 120. How much it is? 210 degrees. And T3 is going to be conducting at what? 210 plus 120. It is what? 330 degrees. At these three angles, T1, T2 and T3 are going to be triggered, right? Yeah. So at 90, right, at 90 it has been going to be triggered, and 90 to 120, right? So now from 90 to 210, where it is 210, here it is 210. From 90 to 210, see, from 90 to 210, see, T1 is more positive, right? T1 is more positive and D2 is more negative. So up to so on, if you clearly consider, so what is going to be happen? So T1 is more positive and D2 is more negative. So what is V0 of T? So T1 has been connected to A here and D2 has been connected to C here. So from 90 degrees to 200 degrees to D1 and D2 are going to be conducting, and that is the only reason. What is the output voltage you are going to get? VAC you are going to get, right? And from 210, who is going to be conducting at 210? At 210, the thyristor B2 is second thyristor is going to be turned on here. So from 210 to 330, right? From 210 to 330, it is more positive, and at the same time, I mean, B phase is more positive, and at the same time, A phase is more negative. So that is the only reason you are going to get VBA value. Right? See clearly, T3 is more positive and D4 is more negative. So VBA. And from 330 to 450, D5 to T5 and D6 are going to be conducting. So T5 and D6 are going to be conducting. You see, from this particular condition, T5 is more positive and D6 is more negative. So that is the only reason you are going to get the value as what? VCB. So if I apply the same condition over here in the line voltages from 90, right, from 90 to 210, who is more, what is the option you are going to get? VAC. So VAC is the value you are going to get from 90. See, this is the dotted portion, green line. VAC is the line you are going, right, from 210 to 330. This is 330, right? This is 330. So what is going to be happen? Some from 210. So VBA, this is the dotted portion. VBA is the dotted portion you are going to get. So that is what I have been drawn here. And from 330 to 450, the same analysis. So VCB, so this is the VCB. It is going up to 450. So that is what I have been written, right? So in this way you have to analyze. In this way you have to analyze, simple analyzation for alpha equal to 60 degrees, right? So let me discuss let me discuss for alpha equal to 90 degrees. Yes. So this is a expression. Now I am going to analyze the three-phase semi-converter for alpha equal to 90 degrees, right? So alpha equal to 90 degrees in the sense, so T1 is going to be conducting at 90 plus 30, that is 120. So T2 is going to be conducting from 120 plus 120 is 240, so 240. And T3 is going to be conducting from 240 plus 240 plus 120, that is what? 360 degrees. So these are the only three things you have to remember, right? So that is what I have been shown you in the output diagram. Please refer here. This is what 120, this is for 240, and this is what 360 degrees, right? How we are going to analyze this particular equation? Same condition what we have been analyzed in case of both alpha equal to 30 degrees and 60 degrees, right? See, at 120, right, at 120, this is 90, right? This is at 120, that is which is more positive? A is more positive and C is more negative. So what is the only output you are going to get? VAC output only you are going to get. T1 and D2 are going to be short circuited. Now if you clearly observe one thing, 120 to 240, right? So 120 to 200 120 to 210, it is okay. And now at 210, wait for a while. Yeah, 100 to 120, here it is 120, and up to 210, A and B are more positive. Now if you clearly observe one thing here, from 210 to 240, right, from 210, where it is from 210, from 210 to 240, this is 210, this is 210, and this is up to 240. From 210 to 240, which is conducting here, already it is A is conducting here, and C phase is